Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Yeah, so when I was in school, my parents, the main source of income for my parents was they used to make sweets and they used to sell on push carts. Hello everyone, I am Hari Krishna. So I was born and brought up in Nandigama. It's a village in Andhra Pradesh. I come from a family, nobody did schooling after 5th or 7th. So I was the first one to go after 10th class to study for plus 1 and plus 2. Told previously, there was no one who could tell me what are the different engineering fields that were there and which would be better for career opportunities. So I talked to my faculty and I opted for a few courses across different universities, and luckily I got computer science in JNTU Kakinada. In 2018 June to November, I took coaching for CAT and I appeared for 2018 CAT, and in 2019 I converted IIM Kozhikode. So when I was in school, my parents, the main source of income for my parents was they used to make sweets and they used to sell on push carts, and then my father started a kirana store, so which my brother continued. My brother is like 5 years elder to me, so he had to stop his studies after 10th class because he was like at the age of 15, because he was supposed to take the responsibility of the family. I scored a district rank in my 10th class, so that convinced my parents like he could do something after 10th class also if you go for studies. And all my teachers and like people my father know, they spoke to my father saying that let him study further and let him pursue different career. My friends, like it was totally different for me. There were different people who used to speak about internet, who used to speak about like career opportunities, and who used to speak about colleges in foreign. So that was completely new for me. So there I learned from people that there are courses like engineering, there are courses like MBA after engineering, where people used to get into management positions and they used to run businesses actually. Like I wanted to be independent financially and otherwise also. So what I did was occasionally I used to home tutor students. So I also started to look for other opportunities, and like it was three things at a time. I have to prepare for CAT, I have to do my work at Accenture, and I was looking for other opportunities with better pay. So one by one, luckily, I preparation for CAT was going on with the coaching institute. The schedule was there, and work burden was not there in Accenture that much. So when I found an opportunity in one of the companies where my friend was working, FTD India, so I gave the interview, and luckily I got an opportunity there. So before CAT. So I found like, okay, I have a backup now. So let's not think of anything and put a full strength in preparation of CAT. So I prepared for CAT till November, and just 1 week before the exam, I exactly remember the exam was on Sunday, and the week before that weekend. So one of my friends who I studied for 4 years in graduation, my classmate, so he passed away in an accident. He was going home after the work, and he passed away in that. It kindly mentally disturbed me. It kind of like I couldn't open my book. I couldn't focus on anything. I couldn't see laptop. I couldn't open a book, and it kind of haunted me like almost that week. What I did was the day before CAT, Saturday, I along with my friend, we went to a park and we just let out what was inside and we spoke with each other, and it kind of was a bit. I just thought he temporarily put this aside and just focus on CAT right now. After when I told I lost my friend before CAT interview, that kind of had some mental impact on me. So after that, for a month, after a month, like it was all okay again. I'm working and things are okay. But after that, some different incident happened in my personal life with my family and others also. So my actually the breadwinner in my family is my brother, and his business kind of failed, and we were facing complete financial troubles. At that point of time, my monthly salary was 45,000 in my new job. So my parents were like, why go for 20 lakhs MBA when you are earning good and you could support the family now? So since I told that I was the first graduate, there was no postgraduate pursued person in my family or relatives or anybody my parents personally know. So they kind of thought like MBA is some course where you spend money and then you just get another job to pay the money or something like that. So 20 lakhs is really very big amount for my family. So I told them I would get a student loan and everything, but they were not convinced. And at the same time, as I told in my personal life also with family and everything, I was going through some mental episodes for a quite long time, but I didn't thought it was that difficult. So when I found it, it is impacting my work, and actually I'm not able to have a productive day. So at that point of time, what I did was I went to a psychiatrist and I spoke to them about what different kind of things are happening inside my brain actually. So then I came to know that I was in a state of clinical depression actually, and at the same time I was in my new job, and at the same time the interviews for CAT were lined up. At the same time my brother's business was failing. Same time my father's health was deteriorating, and it's kind of, let's say, my whole life was a mess. Told my parents like, let's wait for the results, then we can decide if I have to go or not. So let me give the interviews first, then we can decide. If you don't want me to go at that point of time, I will just leave it this year. So then I told my brother, I would help you in any way possible, just come back to previous financial conditions or something, like we could work this together. So he started doing new business, and so then I gave my interviews, and what happened is, in case of IIMK, I didn't convert in the first time. I was waitlisted. Second round, third round, I was waitlisted was not moving, and I was kind of lost my hope. See, I would not get this year. So let's continue the job, and even that would be good for my family financially also. So but what happened is, I think it is June 22, the registration process started, and I converted in the last round, 18th of the June. So I was like, now all I have to do is convince my parents. My brother actually convinced my parents, like, let him go for the studies, we will manage this, because since that was what used to happen even previously also. Whenever there are some financial troubles, everybody used to adjust some, and they used to work hard to come out of that. So that way my parents told, like, if you want to do it, then go ahead. So after that I came to IIM Kozhikode. The great thing about IIM Kozhikode campus is the campus is very pleasant, that whatever situation you are in, you just go to a corner and you just sit there and you will feel really very relieved. So slowly, with all those people's help, I was able to cope up with that, and slowly after a few months I stopped the medication, and after that it was kind of better. After some 3-4 months in the campus, it was kind of good. Then I had some very good friends around me who were like, I could call them in the night and I could just tell them what's happening, and they would just patiently listen and tell that it's okay, nothing to worry about. Like, if any incident, for suppose I'm saying, if there is some family issue, I could just share with them, and they are very kind of supportive. Like, some people don't understand what's happening. Some people, even if they understand, they are not willing to reach a psychiatrist because of the social stigma we have around it. Just find out your inner social circle. Some people who are very close to them, like with whom you could share everything. So just talk to them what's going on inside you. So let out your thoughts and feelings to them. So if you both feel like it's very intense, you couldn't cope up with yourself, then I would say definitely reach out for help from an expert. That would definitely would help you.